guys, Jacob with Texas Family Roofing here, and I wanted to give you an inside look of what it looks like when we finish up a brand new roofing system for you. And today I've got a treat for you. We're going to take a look at the Atlas Legend roofing system. Now I talk about this a lot, and if you've ever sat down in a meeting with me, you know it's the alternate that I provide instead of a 3-tab, and it's a designer style 3-tab. And now I'm going to show you what's so cool about it. So if you want to take a look over here, this here is the final product installed. So this customer had a 3-tab shingle just like their neighbors, and it didn't work out too well for them. So what we did is we upgraded them for free to this Atlas Legend system that features a 40-year warranty and a 110-mile-per-hour wind rating. Now if you take a look very closely at it compared to a standard 3-tab system, you can see that it's got a designer look to it. The cut of the shingles makes it pop and gives your home a better curb appeal.